This is a Module 8 skills test entitled Comets, Meteors, and Asteroids. Essentially, this is the debris left over from the formation of the solar system. And the first question has to do with a bunch of different characteristics, and again, you just choose whether that characteristic is most appropriate for asteroids, meteors, and comets. The next two questions I don't have a screenshot of, but they're ranking tasks. And the first ranking task has to do with the distance from the sun of asteroids versus the two different types of comets and the source regions of those comets. Question 3 is just testing to make sure that you understand the difference between the terms meteors, meteoroids, meteorites. And then finally, question 4 has to do with a comet, and a comet which you see, comets have two different tails. It's got a gas tail, sometimes called a plasma tail, and a dust tail. And the dust tail is indicated by the blue dots here, whereas the plasma or the gas tail is indicated by the gray cloud. And again, you're asked to choose which of these images best shows the correct orientation of the gas tail and the dust tail.